Hey, what's up, guys? Josh here. Sunday morning, and we're going to have our breakfast coffee. And at the same time, let's unpack this one cool Starbucks flasks. I got this like a few months ago, and I totally forgot about opening this. And I think this is the best time to see this one with this magnificent view of Summer Yacht Beach. Let's go unpack this and have our coffee.
Okay, let's go.
The sun is now up. Yesterday it was really windy and sun pouring. That's why we couldn't play in the water yesterday, because that the waves are too strong. But now it's quite alright. Yeah, let's unpack this busted finger bag. Go first with start first with this collaboration Flask. I really like this one because of it carries also one of my favorite brands since high school, although I didn't have much of this item when I was young. But yeah, this brand is really cool. Aside from Starter, this brand is the leading brand when it comes to sports apparel, especially hats. Oh, this is the Starbucks X New Era. This cool green lid here really makes it so attractive, because it seems like it's all black and then Starbucks color branding, and then of course the Starbucks emblem and very subtle New Era emblem. This is 16-ounce flask, hot or cold, with portable handle. I think you shouldn't use coarse Scotch Brite here, otherwise it'll ruin the paint. So honestly, I think this is just for really collectible display. But if you really want to use it as a flask, as being a flask, I think you should be very careful when washing it. Which matches this. This is the 5950 New Era coaster. made from recyclable material, anniversary edition, new era, the originator of true fitted. I think that's it for today. Our Flask, New Year Flask, and the 5950 poster. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Peace.